In this video, I will be showing you how to change the display language in League of Legends game. So let's get started. First thing, just open Riot Client. You'll be having this. So open it, and in Riot Client, just click on the profile icon over here. Here we will be having settings. Select this. In settings, make sure that you are selecting League of Legends. Here it's saying game text language. Click this drop down, and here we are having these many languages to choose from. Just select the language of your choice. After that, just go and click League of Legends. And if it's showing you update or any other thing, just click that. Once the update is complete, just click on play. Now as you can see here, the language has been changed. Even in settings, it's completely changed. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.